Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough way to close out the week, and the price is now sitting at an extremely important level, and it's all about right now that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. And I say very famous because really, even if you have a very basic surface deep understanding of technical analysis, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, then you want to see it act as support. And to give credit where credit's due, so far so good. I mean, basically you spent not all day long, but a vast majority of the day sitting right around that area. Now, remember, supports, resistance levels are not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with it. But I think we can all agree that it's certainly been just sticking right around the range of that pink line there. And a lot of people have noticed that. So this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. I'm not trying to come across like I have some sort of special ability to have seen this. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are watching that level. And I bring that up because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And if this thing continues on down, and when I say quote-unquote continues on down, meaning if the price actually breaks down through that area of $84.85, let's just call it 85. So a break of 85 would basically be confirmation that the 200 period has been violated, and you're going to have long shorts and everybody in between watching that level. And while nothing is guaranteed, my point here is this, that if the price does break down through 85, a break of that area very well could create quite a bit of downward selling pressure, which then could bring about, this next area of support come into play down there right around the $80 mark. So 85 and then 82 main levels of support moving forward. Now, in the event the price all of a sudden bounces back up from that 50 or 200 period moving average, which is very possible. So that's a more than valid thought to have, that maybe a bounce from that area is going to occur. The main battleground to watch from the resistance side of things would then be right up there around the $93 mark. But all in all, very interesting setup moving here going forward. So yeah, let's see how the price behaves relative to that 200 period moving average next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.